while we wait for our next load, heading in here to the Walmart, grab ourselves a few groceries for the rest of the week. So when you get done shopping at Walmart, anywhere else you shop at, this is what you do in order to keep a good relationship with Walmart, you know, whatnot. Because when you don't do what I'm doing right now, they look at it as, well, these people don't care about what, you know, about what we do, about our property. Why should I allow them to park there? You know, it just doesn't make sense. Why wouldn't you do that, you know, no matter whether you're in a truck or in a car? Have the courtesy of just taking it back to the corral. Look at this. A cart's in there right up next to the thing. I mean, the corral's right there. I mean, 200 feet, 250 feet there, or not even, probably not even that. And then, you know, you take it over there, you put it in there, walk back. I mean, that doesn't make no sense. So we're gonna go into the Panda Express, get ourselves a order of orange chicken, and that'll be our lunch. Then we'll get in the truck, put things away, and just continue to wait for our load.